You can make money online just by watching videos. You heard that right. And it's incredibly simple. This website pays you to watch ads and videos, and you can start earning real money right now. Whether you are a student, stay at home parent, or just looking for some extra income, all it takes is a smartphone, internet, and a little bit of time each day. You can cash out daily through PayPal or other payment methods and start earning as soon as today. Let me show you how it works. First, let me give you a brief explanation about the website and what it offers. Companies pay WinTop platform to show their videos, and WinTop shares a portion of that money with you. You don't need any special skills or experience. All you need is an internet connection and you are good to go. In fact, WinTop claims that you can earn up to $100 just by watching videos. It's perfect for anyone looking to make easy passive income during their free time. Let me show you how simple it is to get started with WinTop. Follow along and you will be up and running in minutes. First, open your browser and head over to WinTop's official website. I will leave the link in the description below. Once you are on the site, click the sign up button. You can create an account using your email address, Google, or Facebook account. It's completely free and the sign up process takes less than a minute. After you sign up, you will need to verify your email. Simply click the verification link in the email they sent you, and you are good to go. Now that you have signed up, let's get into the fun part, which is making money by watching videos. After logging, you will land on your WinTop dashboard. You can see that I have a 5 credit that I got by using my friend's link. Here, you will see a list of videos available to you to watch, along with the amount of money you will earn for each one. As you can see, when you watch the first video, you can earn up to 61 cents. The second video is 32 cents, and so on. You click on the video you would like to watch. The video usually range from a few seconds to a few minutes, and you can watch as many as you want. After you finish each video, your earnings will be automatically added to your account. You can keep track of your earnings directly on your dashboard. The more videos you watch, the more money you make. And the best part is that you can do this from anywhere, on your phone, tablet, or computer. If you are serious about making the most money, I suggest setting aside a dedicated time each day to watch videos. The more consistent you are, the more money you can accumulate. Let's talk about the big question on everyone's mind: how much you can really earn. The amount of money you make depends on how many videos you watch and how often you use the platform. On average, users can make anywhere between $10 to $100 per day, depending on how active they are. I want to be real with you. It's not instant riches. It's not going to replace your full-time job, but it's definitely a fantastic way to earn some extra cash without a lot of effort. Think about it. If you're already watching videos on YouTube, why not get paid for it? Now, once you are accumulated enough money in your WinTop account, it's time to cash it out. Here is how the withdrawal process works. WinTop has a minimum payout, usually around $80. Once you hit that, you are eligible to withdraw your money. You can withdraw your earnings via PayPal, bank transfer, or even cryptocurrency. Simply select your preferred method in your account settings. After you request a withdrawal, it typically takes a few business days for the payment to reach your account. I personally recommend using PayPal for faster and more convenient transactions. It's reliable and you can get your money within days. By now, you might be wondering, is WinTop legit? The short answer is yes. WinTop has been around for a while, and many users have successfully earned and withdrawn money from the platform. However, like any online earning platform, I suggest doing your research and making sure you are comfortable before diving. If you are looking for a simple, no stress way to make extra money in your spare time, WinTap is definitely worth a shot. Whether you are saving for something special or just want some extra cash in your pocket, WinTap lets you earn money by doing what you already do, watching videos. Give it a try today and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to make money online. Thanks for watching.